Good morning, everyone. Thank you for allowing me to present research at the ICAE 2021 conference. Okay, not to extend the time, I'll start right away. This research is entitled Fluid Skin Testing using BenQA, FMASK, and MCM methods using LANDSAT X satellite imagery in the first quarter of 2020. This study BATAM Island. The effect of could cover a major problem in satellite image processing in Indonesia. One of the areas in Indonesia with abundant could cover is BATAM Island. The most frequently used satellite image for research is LANDSAT X, but its image can escape from could cover in as much as included in a passive image. To overcome this problem, it is necessary to conduct research related to cloud removal and their shadows in LANDSAT X images with cloud masking. There are three cloud masking methods used in this study: QA band, function of mask, and multi-temporal cloud masking. This research starts from study of literature. Next, data collection. Data collection produces LANDSAT X satellite image 22 January 2020, LANDSAT X satellite image 23 February 2020, LANDSAT X satellite image 10 March 2020, and LANDSAT X image 5 November 2020. Next process, radiometric correction. Next, cloud masking using MCM, cloud masking using FMASK, and cloud masking using BenQA. Cloud masking using MCM produces cloud-free image MCM method. Cloud masking using FMASK produces cloud-free image FMASK method. And cloud masking using BenQA produces cloud-free image BenQA method. Next process is cropping image. Cropping image produces image of BATAM Island corrected by MCM method, image of BATAM Island corrected by FMASK method, and image of BATAM Island corrected by BenQA method. Next process is accuracy test. Accuracy test produces the image of BATAM Island that's cloud masking accuracy, and then finish. Once this research starts, the research location is on the island of BATAM. Processing. First, radiometric correction. Next, cloud masking processing. The cloud masking process uses the three methods, namely EA band, FMASK, and MCM, and then accuracy testing. Cloud masking results. The results of cloud masking with QA band method. The picture above is cloud and shadow detection, and the picture below is cloud masking results of January 22, 2020, February 22, 23, 2020, and March 10, 2020. The results of cloud masking with FMASK. The picture above is cloud and shadow detection. The picture below is cloud masking results of January 22, 2020, February 23, 2020, and March 10, 2020. Results of cloud masking with MCM is cloud detection, shadow detection, and cloud masking results of January 22, 2020, February 23, 2020, and March 10, 2020. Comparison of QA band, FMASK, and MCM method accuracy test results. Based on the accuracy values that have been obtained, it is found that the cloud accuracy of the cloud masking image of BATAM Island on January 22, 2020, the highest in BenQA and FMASK methods, which are 100%, and the lowest cloud accuracy is the MCM method, which is 84.38%, while the shadow accuracy is 84% 84.38%. On the crude masking image of BATAM Island on January 22, 2020, the highest in the FMASK method, which is 84.38%, and the lowest shadow accuracy is the MCM method, which is 75%. The crude accuracy in the BATAM Island crude masking image on February 23, 2020, the highest in the QA and FMASK method, which is 100%, and the lowest in the MCM, which is 90.63%. While the shadow accuracy in the crude masking image of BATAM Island on February 23, 2020 is the highest, then QA and MCM methods are 100%, and the lowest in the FMASK method, which is 87.50%. The highest crude accuracy and the crude masking image of BATAM Island March 10, 2020 is the QA and FMASK method, which is 100%, and the lowest in the MCM method, which is 78.13%, while the shadow accuracy in the crude masking image of BATAM Island March 10, 2020 is the highest. The QA method is 87.50%, and the lowest in the FMASK method, which is 46.88%. Conclusion: based on the results of the accuracy test of the three crude masking methods, namely QA, FMASK, and MCM on BATAM Island, January 22, 2020, February 23, 2020, and March 10, 2020, the best crude detection accuracy is the QA and FMASK methods because both methods have high accuracy values. The highest of 100% in every month of the first quarter of 2020, while the best accuracy for crude shadows is the QA method because it has a consistently high level of accuracy in every month of the first quarter of 2020, which is near 80%. So that the best crude masking method used to remove crude and crude shadows is the QA method. So any presentations from me, I apologize and thank you.